iPhone just got 10 plus new features on iOS 26.4. So if you got the access or if you got access to iOS 26.4, go ahead to the settings, general, software update, and make sure your iOS is fully updated to the latest version, right? Next, now we're going to talk about the key 26.4 features. You have the playlist breakground. Apple Music, you can generate playlists based on text-based descriptions, notes, Mac rumors, right? You have offline Shazam recognition, identifies songs without an internet connection, storing them to recognize once connected. You have new emojis, include 8 new additions such as distorted face, orc, and trombone. You have also family sharing payment, allows individual adult members to use their own payment methods rather than a shared organized card, says the Times of India. Reduce bright effects, a new accessibility features in display and text size settings that reduces the brightness of liquid glass effects according to YouTube video. Enhanced podcast introduces video podcasts with an in-app inline viewing. Note the YouTube video, right? You have also updated reminders. Okay, features a new urgent section to automatically highlight key reminders. Personal hotspot details provide a new data usage section for detailed tracking according to YouTube video. Safari search bar, a new search bar in the tab view to find specific tabs. Redesigned account page, the App Store and other apps featured a reorganized profile page. Ambient music widget, new small and medium-sized widgets for accessing sleep sounds. So if you got access to the 26.4, go ahead and update it and start working on it now. Consider liking this video, subscribing. Until next time, see you.